What's up everyone, it's me Jofer. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss to you my report about the introduction to computers. So without further ado, let's begin. So my topic is about introduction to computers. The learning objectives are first, explain why computer literacy is vital to success in today's world. Second, define the term computer and describe the relationship between data and information. Describe the five components of a computer: input devices, output devices, system unit, storage devices, and communications devices. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages that users experience when working with computers. Define the term network and identify benefits of sharing resources on a network. Discuss the uses of the internet and World Wide Web. Distinguish between system software and application software. Differentiate among types, sizes, and function of computers in each of these categories: personal computers, mobile computers, and mobile devices, game consoles, servers, mainframes, supercomputers, and embedded computers. Describe the role of each element in an information system. Explain how home users, small users or home office users, mobile users, power users, and enterprise users each interact with computers. Discuss how society uses computers in an education, finance, government, healthcare, science, publishing, travel, and manufacturing. So the first content is computer literacy is vital in today's world. So computer literacy or digital literacy involves having current knowledge and understanding of computers and their uses. The requirements that determine computer literacy change as technology changes. As computers become more a part of everyday life, many people believe that computer literacy is vital to success. Next is a computer and the relationship between data and information. So a computer is an electronic device operating under the control of instructions stored in its own memory that can accept data, process data according to specified rules, produce results, and store the results for future use. Data is a collection of unprocessed items, which can include text, numbers, images, audio, and video, and the information conveys meaning and is useful to people. Next is the descriptions of the five components of a computer. So the five components of computer is the input device, output device, system unit, storage device, and communications device. An input device allows you to enter data or instructions into a computer. An output device conveys information to one or more people. A system unit is a case that contains the electronic components of a computer that are used to process data. A storage device records and or retrieves items to and from storage media. A communication device enables a computer to send and receive data, instructions, and information to and from one or more computers. Next is the role of each element in an information system. So an information system combines hardware, software, data, people, and procedures to produce timely and useful information. People in an information technology or IT department develop procedures for processing data. Following these procedures, people use hardware and software to enter the data into a computer. Software processes the data and directs the computer hardware to store changes in storage media and produce information in a desired form. Next is various types of computer users interact with computers. Computer users can be separated into five categories: the home user, small office or home office user, mobile user, power user, and enterprise user. So a home user is a family member who uses a computer for a variety of reasons, such as budgeting and personal financial management, web access, communications, and entertainment. A small office or home office or SOHO, it also includes any company with fewer than 50 employees, as well as the self-employed individual who works from home. SOHO users access the internet to look up information and use basic business software and sometimes industry-specific software. Mobile users are employees and students who work on a computer well away from a main office, home office, or school. A power user uses a workstation or other powerful computer to work with industry-specific software. Power users exist in all types of businesses. An enterprise user works in or interacts with a company with many employees and uses a computer and computer network that processes high volumes of transactions in a single day. Next is society uses computers in education, finance, government, healthcare, science, publishing, travel, and manufacturing. In education, students use computers and software to assist with learning or take distance learning classes. In finance, people use computers for online banking and online investing. Government offices have websites to provide citizens with up-to-date information, and government employees use computers as part of their daily routines. In healthcare, computers are used to maintain patient records, monitor patients, deliver medication to nurse station via robots, assist with medical tests and research, correspond with patients, file insurance claims, provide greater precision during operations, and as implants. All branches of science use computers to assist with collecting, analyzing, and modeling data and to communicate with colleagues around the world. Publishers use computers to assist in designing pages and make the content of their works available online. Many vehicles use some type of online navigation system to help people travel more quickly and safely. Manufacturers use computer-aided manufacturing or CAM to assist with manufacturing processes. Technology trailblazers. So Bill Gates is the Microsoft founder. Early in his career, he developed the basic programming language for the MIT's Altair, one of the first microcomputers. He founded Microsoft in 1975 with Paul Allen, and 5 years later, they licensed the first operating system called PC-DOS to IBM for $80,000. This decision to license rather than sell the software is considered one of the wisest business decisions Gates ever made. Today, Microsoft's Windows and Office products dominate the software market. Next is Tom Anderson, MySpace co-founder and president. He started MySpace in 2003 with his friend Chris DeWolf as a free tool to help musicians promote their songs and allow music lovers to create their own web pages devoted to sharing their favorite music with like-minded admirers. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you learned something from my report. That's all. Bye!